They say the first time camping is unforgettable. And let me tell you, they are right. My camp master tent and I, we survived an adventure I'll never forget. And neither will you after hearing this. Greetings, fellow travelers. Kondos here from Inkari Travels, where we explore life, adventure, and all things refreshing for the soul. Today, I'm sharing the story of my first ever tent camping experience. Just yesterday, I bought a Camp Master tent, and I was so excited that I hit the outdoors immediately. It was thrilling, chaotic, and surprisingly refreshing. If you have never camped before, you will want to stick around. And if you have, you will probably relate to some of these moments. The preparation. So here's how it all began. I bought the tent with no real camping experience, just sheer enthusiasm and a love for adventure. I thought, how hard can it be? I packed what I thought were the essentials: snacks, a flashlight, a sleeping bag, and a couple of random things like duct tape. Yes, duct tape. Spoiler alert, it saved me. The tent struggles. When I got to the campsite, I quickly realized I had no clue how to set up a tent. The camp master came with instructions, but honestly, it was like solving a puzzle with missing pieces. After wrestling with poles and stakes for what felt like an eternity, the tent was up, kind of. It leaned to one side, but hey, it was standing, and I was proud of it. Nightfall chaos. As night fell, I learned two important lessons. The forest is really dark, and nature has a way of humbling you. I tried cooking instant noodles on a tiny camping stove, but I didn't account for the wind. Half-cooked noodles and the burnt fingers were the results. Then, as I sat in the tent, exhausted, and heard what I thought was a bear outside, my heart raced. Turns out it was just the wind rustling the leaves. Nature 1, Windows 0. The magical morning. But here's the best part. When I woke up the next morning and stepped out of the tent, the view took my breath away. The sunrise painted the sky with shades of orange and pink, and the air felt crispy and refreshing. It was a moment of peace that made every struggle worth it. That's the magic of camping. You leave behind the noise and rediscover simplicity. My first camping experience with my camp master was far from perfect, but it was perfectly mine. It taught me that life's best moments often come from stepping out of your comfort zone. The laughs, the struggle, and the beauty of nature. It's a combination I will always cherish. Camping isn't just an adventure, it's a reset for your soul. Now it's your turn. If you have never been camping, I challenge you to give it a try. Grab a tent, find a peaceful spot, and experience the joy of reconnecting with nature. And if you are a seasoned camper, share your best tips and wildest stories in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to explore the outdoors and refresh our spirits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Inkahari Travels for more adventures. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and take that first step into the wild. Thank you for watching and take care.